Hey, have you ever thought about how much power is hiding in something as simple as salt water? I know it sounds wild, but scientists have actually figured out a way to turn salt water into a source of electricity. And no, I'm not talking about those old lemon battery experiments from science class. This is the real deal. So here's how it works. When you mix salt with water, you get a bunch of charged particles zooming around. Those are called ions. Now, if you put this salty water between two different types of materials, like a special membrane and some carbon electrodes, you can actually force those ions to move in a certain way. And when they move, they create a tiny electric current. It's kind of like harnessing the energy of a wave, but way, way smaller. But here's where it gets even cooler. Scientists have started using a special kind of membrane that's super thin, like only a few atoms thick. This membrane lets some ions through but blocks others, and that difference creates a voltage. Stack up a bunch of these membranes, and suddenly you've got enough juice to power small devices. Imagine charging your phone with nothing but seawater. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but how much power can you really get from this? Right now, it's not enough to run a city, but it's a big step forward. The best part? Salt water is everywhere. Oceans cover more than 70% of our planet. So, if we can scale this up, it could help bring electricity to places that don't have reliable power. And get this, because the process doesn't burn any fuel, it doesn't release carbon dioxide or other pollutants. That means it's a clean, renewable source of energy. We're basically talking about turning the ocean into a giant battery. I love how science can take something we totally take for granted, like the salt in seawater, and turn it into something game-changing. Who knows? Maybe one day the phone in your pocket will run on ocean power. If you think that's as awesome as I do, hit that like button and subscribe for more wild science stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.